What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we got to talk about baby Doge. We're just going to go over a quick little update. Not much has happened since the last video, but we'll just go over update. And as you can see, I have cut the hair. But anyways, more on that later. But definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the game. But anyways, let's talk some more about baby Doge, because right now we are still working our way down here to this support. So that support is about 23.80. We already hit it once, so there is a possibility that we just continue to grow. So hopefully we can keep this growth going with baby Doge. We've had a little bit of growth within the past few days here. So hopefully we can continue to have this growth inside of baby Doge. But going over here and looking at the 4-hour chart, kind of getting a little bit more long term in this perspective, you can see here we are still fairly low. We broke down below this wedge pattern here, and that kind of sucks because now it kind of puts us towards that bearish path. But hopefully with the Bitcoin pump here recently, we can actually get some pumps coming in for baby Doge, because if this means that we're actually going in a bull market, remember what typically happens, Bitcoin will pump and then money will flow down into altcoins afterwards, because people will start selling Bitcoin and then they'll start putting that money inside altcoins. So I think we could see, different altcoins going up inside of the near future right here for baby Doge. And if you look down here, you can see everything is, kind of up a little bit, but it's really waiting for Bitcoin to take off. That's really what everything's waiting for. So yeah, once Bitcoin takes off, I think we have the possibility here in baby Doge to get all the way back up to about 8Z30 all the way up there. Hopefully further, honestly. But yeah, we'll see. But moving on to Bitcoin though. Speaking on Bitcoin, this is the important stuff for the video. Like, this is important. So we just now had an overbought area here on Bitcoin when you look at the oscillator. So that's pretty interesting, because if this is overbought, it kind of looks like we're plateauing and we're leveling out. But there's always the possibility that we have another large purchasing area that sends us higher. Remember what I said previously. I said if we can break 30K and stay above 30K and get up to like 32 to 35K, then that pretty much confirms that we're going to be bullish here inside of the crypto market. So it's pretty important also, because we just have a lot of stuff coming out for baby Doge. We have a lot of stuff coming out for Bitcoin and all that good stuff. But the inflation rate, we have so much stuff going out, like financially. So they're just going to be talking a lot about the financial markets in the coming days. So we'll see exactly what is going to happen with the global economy. But one thing that you do want to remember though, if we can hold above 30K and get above 35K, that is definitely a bullish trend right there. So right now things are looking bullish. We haven't got above this point and held above this point for a very long time inside of Bitcoin. If you look all the way back here, since May of last year, since May and June of last year. And guess what? We're now near that same price today. So it's April today, well, this month. And then, as you know, like May of last year was the last time we were at 30K. So this is pretty exciting to see. I think this is actually the start of the bull market. So yeah, I think this kind of confirms it. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's not a bull trap. But look, we've been going on this uptrend since the beginning of this year. So, I mean, if that doesn't say nothing, I don't know what does. But yeah, this definitely looks very bullish to me. But anyways, I'll keep you all updated on this. And yeah, as of right now, it just looks very bullish to me. But yeah, moving on though, let's speak about baby Doge. So we're only up 0.4% in the last 24 hours, which that does suck. It does suck. But what's good about us only being up 0.4% in the last 24 hours, whenever people start selling out of Bitcoin, they might start putting it inside of different altcoins. So we might get some of that money for the previous pump that we had. But obviously right now, none of it's flowed in the baby Doge. We're down 13% in the last 7 days, but we're still up a good 10% in the last 14 days, still a good 12% in the last 30 days. And we're only down 15% in the last year, right? And if you go ahead and compare that to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's down 28% in the last year. So technically, aren't we doing better than Bitcoin in the last year? That's technically, right? But anyways, we now have 1,722,525 holders. So that's pretty good as well. We're getting new holders every single day. Shout out to all the new baby Doge holders out there. our liquidity has been increasing a lot on Baby Doge Swap now. We're now at $58.56 million liquidity on Baby Doge Swap. That's very good. The last 24 hours is $772,000. You can see here the last 24 hours, Baby Doge burns 4.5 trillion. That brings us to 204.9 quadrillion total burned. So we're almost at 205 quadrillion total burned. So that's pretty good. Looking over here at the burn portal though, the burn portal is 52.422 trillion. So the burn portal, honestly, it hasn't been moving at all since since we got rid of the burning event. I think they should do another burn event where if people burn a certain amount, they'll burn at least like 1% of the total supply. That would be nice to see. But we'll have to wait for them to see if they do that. But speaking a little bit more on the Baby Doge swap, though, let's go over to the farm. So I just now harvested some rewards from the farm, so it's showing a low number there. But the liquidity is starting to increase. Remember, it was at 3.9 million in the last video we did. So it's nice that it's starting to increase. We have 49% APR. So we just need to get a little bit higher. It'll also help that APR get higher as well. But yeah, as of right now, though, Baby Doge is doing fairly well for Baby Doge swap, the farms, just everything. We're doing pretty good. We just need some more exchange listings, to be honest. But yeah, over here though, $51.54 billion on total for DeFi Llama, all the money. And with Baby Doge, we are up 11.94% in the last 7 days for DeFi. And that's why I'm saying like Baby Doge swap is doing pretty good. Like even though it might look like Baby Doge is doing a lot of updates, we're up 11.94% just in Baby Doge swap alone in liquidity. So that's really, really good. But yeah, shout out to the whole Baby Doge army for that. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video.